Hello everyone, welcome to the BenchCloud tool demonstration video. My name is Mark Jankola and I am an co-author of BenchCloud, a platform for scalable performance benchmarking. BenchCloud is a cloud solution for job distribution, resource management, and reliable benchmarking. In our paper, we present three main components of BenchCloud: clients, manager, and workers. We have two different types of clients: administrative client and benchmarking client. In this video, I will demonstrate the features of both of them. Mainly, benchmarking client can submit runs or run collections to the manager, and it then distributes the workload to the workers. It then collects the outputs from the workers, couples them, and provides the output via the benchmarking client to the user. Let me show you our LMU instance of BenchCloud. We have a web frontend that can show us current run collections that are scheduled and are running currently on our work machines. These are owners, and these are number of runs, number of finished runs, and so on and so forth. Below, we can see all the machines that are available at our LMU instance of BenchCloud, and there are specifications like CPU model, memory, and moreover, they contain information about how many runs are currently scheduled on them, and how much memory is used, processor used, and so on and so forth. Let me now demonstrate the benchmarking client. To run benchmarking client, I am in a tool that I want to benchmark, and I specify it to our user-side script using this --tool directory. The user-side script is stored in a BenchExec directory, and it's called benchmark.py. Another thing that I need to specify is a benchmarking definition. This benchmarking definition follows the same standard as BenchExec benchmarking definition, and it specifies time limit, memory limit, CPU cores limit, and so on and so forth. And another thing that it specifies is the CPU model. So we set CPU model to Apollon machines because we can see that they are currently unoccupied. So it's a good thing to schedule these runs on them. Moreover, we need to divide our runs into run collections, and each run collection specifies a different configuration of the tool and inputs for the tool from the run collection. Another thing that we need to specify is a priority. So we need to specify, we specify here the high priority, and by that I can run the benchmarking client. And we can now observe that the runs are now distributed between the Apollon's machines as we scheduled them by CPU model. The info about finished runs is printed in the terminal. And we can also see it here, up here in our web service, to see how many finished runs there currently are. If I finish our runs, we can see that they are also canceled on the web service. We can now take the outputs from BenchExec and generate the table. As we can see, we can also display these results in the table. This table is provided by BenchExec. So now I'm logged into administrative client. So what I can see is some info about runs. So as we can see, the runs that we scheduled are now running with high priority. We can also see information about workers, how many runs on them are scheduled, if they're online or offline, and so on and so forth. Imagine a situation that we are running our runs on high priority, but there is some other colleague who is also running their runs on high priority, but they really need their runs to finish today. So instead of canceling our runs and losing our so far reached progress, what we can do is that we can resize the priority of our runs to lower priority. We can do it by typing info runs to get the ID of the runs. And now we can type resize, provide the run ID, and decrease the priority to low. So now, as you can see on our web service, the priority of our runs were decreased to low. We can also cancel our runs by providing the runs ID. And if we now observe the runs are disappeared from the runs information, and if we have a look on WS machines, they are not scheduled anymore. Thank you for watching this video. If you have some more questions about how the tool is structured or about the features, I will recommend you to read our paper.